A major shift could soon change how Caribbean students sit one of their most challenging subjects, maths. The Caribbean Examination Council, CXC, is now piloting a new modular approach to the CSEC exam aimed at improving performance and giving students more flexibility. Sandy Williams reports.
For years, mathematics has remained a hurdle for many students across the region. Now, the Caribbean Examinations Council is testing a new approach that it hopes will reverse declining results.
Currently, CXC is running a pilot project for the Caribbean Targeted Education Certificate, which is across several countries at this time. Today is a very important day because our mathematics syllabus has been modularized. So there are now 3 bite-sized qualifications you can achieve, CTEC is called, for mathematics.
Instead of sitting one final exam, students can now complete mathematics in smaller, more manageable sections spread over time.
The foundations module leads to the first CTEC qualification that we are offering. Because what you're able to do is do 3 modules at different stages. And having done the 3 modules, if you have been successful, you will still get the CSEC mathematics qualification.
The pilot is already underway in select schools across the region, including Jamaica, where institutions like Dental Auxiliary Training are helping to test the system. The move comes amid growing concern over student performance, particularly in mathematics and English A and B.
There has been a declining performance in students over the years. Now that has been historically so, but there's been an increased decline. And some of that may be attributed to a number of factors in curriculum, teaching and learning, and assessment as well.
And the COVID-19 pandemic, CXC says, made matters worse.
Coming out of COVID, what would have been experienced in terms of what we call learning loss? Students have had a decline in their capabilities to learn in that space because they were no longer in school and they were now confronted with an online space where they were trying to catch up in their learning process. And so a lot of skills might have not been acquired, capabilities and knowledge might not have been acquired. And so since COVID, we've seen an increase in decline in terms of the performance of students in mathematics and other subjects.
CXC believes the new modular system could be the solution, offering students flexibility while improving outcomes.
The other factor is we are working within a world where people want flexibility. They want options. They want to be able to have pathways to cater to their needs, individual pathways. And so CTEC provides 3 modules for mathematics that allow students to take smaller chunks of examinations at different intervals to cater to their needs. And so we are hoping that at the end of this pilot, we see an improvement in the performance of students overall.
Importantly, officials say the pilot comes at no cost to participating students. And even when fully implemented, it won't be more expensive than the traditional exam. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
Coming up in this newscast, Trump says Iran ceasefire on massive life support. Please stay with us.